everyone, welcome back. If you forgot your Scotiabank password, not worry, here's how to reset it using your phone. First, go ahead and open the Scotiabank mobile app and then go to the login screen. Next, tap on the option that says Forgot Password. After that, enter your username or card number when prompted. Once you enter your username or card number, verify your identity using the security method shown on the screen. Next, you may receive a verification code by text message or email. Enter the code exactly as received. Next, create a new password and make sure it is strong and different from your old password. Confirm the new password and submit. You will see a confirmation once the reset is successful. Now, return to the login screen and sign in using your new password. This is how you reset your Scotiabank password on mobile. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.